Did you know that you can make money off of other people's free stuff? And no, you don't have to sell on eBay. Let's go. First, you're going to go to Google and you're going to type in scrap metal buyers near me. So you'll see a list of scrap metal buyers in your area. You're going to either call them or visit their website just so you know what kind of metal they take. Once you're on the website, you just want to review so you understand what kind of metal that they'll take so you know what they'll buy from you. Next, you're going to go to Facebook Marketplace and search free. So now you want to scroll through the free section and find things made out of metal like this dryer or this air compressor. And then you're going to go and pick up the dryer and then pick up the air compressor for free. You're also going to do the same thing on Craigslist and on Nextdoor. So now you're going to take that free metal that you just got and you're going to sell it to your scrap metal buyer. How much you make will depend on the type of metal and the weight of the metal. You can post messages on Facebook, Craigslist, and Nextdoor letting people know that you will pick up their scrap metal for free. So this is a way to make some money. Of course, it's not the only way. If you want another way, type "show me" in the comments and I will send you free information to help you get started making more money.